Over the weekend, a news article came out detailing a report from Microsoft about some very critical bugs present in a handful of pre-installed applications that have been found on millions of devices. So I wanted to take some time to go over what is in this report, show you how to search your device for these buggy apps, and then direct you to a way to disable them, since most people cannot uninstall or delete these applications through traditional methods. All of these apps have been detected to have bugs in them that can cause malicious people to stage remote and local attacks, or they can be abused as entry points to obtain sensitive information due to them being pre-installed apps and having a higher level of access to your phone's data. They could also allow an attacker to install persistent backdoors on these devices, which would allow them to take control of your smartphone or tablet. So you can see how dangerous these bugs are and why it's important to be aware of what is on your device. So we have the CVE numbers for all of these bugs, and you can research these, as I'll be linking to this report in the video description below. And they have been discovered as far back as September of last year. Some of these are pre-installed by the mobile carrier the device is from, and the last one in the list is known to be installed by a phone repair shop. So even though you have not manually installed or put these applications on your device, they could have been pre-installed for you. And with most of these being pre-installed applications, sometimes they are not easily found in the application drawer. So we're going to go ahead and download an application from the Play Store that can display these application names. This application is called APK Analyzer, and I'll be linking to it in the video description below. But you can find many free application package name apps in the Play Store that will work just as well. So in that report, next to the name of the application, we're also given the application package name. So the first one in the list, the Mobile Clinic Device Checkup application, uses the application package name com.telus.checkup. So we could just start searching for the word checkup, since that is included in that package name. And as long as you don't see it in this list, com.telus.checkup, then you do not have it installed on your device. So another one was the Device Help application from AT&T that used the package name com.att.dh. So we can just search for ATT, and as long as you do not see the package name com.att.dh, then the application is not installed. Another one in this list is the application is called My Rogers, and it comes with the package name com.fivemobile.myaccount. So we can just start searching for the word Fivemobile. And again, we're checking to make sure that these applications are not installed on our device. The other one in the list is called Freedom Device Care, and it comes with the package name com.freedom.mlp.uat. So we can search for the word freedom to find out if this application is installed. Now the fifth one in the list is device content transfer, and it comes with the package name com.ca.bell.contenttransfer. So we can search for the word content or content transfer to find out if it is in the list. And the last one I wanted to mention is the one that has been installed by repair shops, by phone repair shops. They do not include the app name, but again, they do include the application package name, which is com.mce.mceiotraceagent. So we can start typing in mceiotraceagent to make sure that, again, that application is not installed on your device. But what if we searched for the 5mobile one and we found that application in this list? If you've gone through these 6 apps and you have found one or more in this list, then know that there is a way for you to disable it. This is something that I've made many videos on in the past. So look in the video description below and I'll link to a couple of them for you to check out.